Shares of Workday, big mover, rallying after earnings and revenue topped expectations. The company also noting that DOGE reforms of the federal government offer a, quote, tremendous opportunity. Joining us now exclusively to talk about all of it is Workday CEO Carl Eschenbach. Carl, welcome. Nice to have you.
Hi, Sarah. Good morning. How are you doing? Thanks for having us.
Doing well. Not as well as you. Stock was up 12% earlier. I think it's still up over 7%. So what is the story here? What's driving it?
Yeah, thanks. So listen, we had a really strong finish to FY25. Our Q4 results were really strong. And I think it's driven by our value proposition that only gets stronger each and every day. Customers continue to look towards Workday to manage their most precious assets, Sarah, their people and their money. And we continue to see Workday be front and center as people move towards this world of agentic. In fact, 2 weeks ago, we announced the Workday Agent System of Record that will allow companies to manage their entire workforce on a unified platform, a workforce in the future that will be both human-centric and digital-centric as agents enter the enterprise. So people not only trust us today, but they see an investment in Workday as an investment in the future of their AI strategy.
So how are customers using it, and where do you fit in relative to, say, a Salesforce or a ServiceNow, which is also going in this direction?
Well, as I said earlier, today we manage the human workforce. We have the cleanest set of data across employees in the industry. And moving forward, as people think about a change in the workforce from being both human and to digital, there's no one better positioned to manage that digital workforce and help it peacefully coexist on a unified platform. Just like in the past, we were the onboarding or the on-ramp to the enterprise for employees. Someone needs to do that as we move towards this agentic world in digital employees. And we can do that because we know how to onboard them. We know how to securely, with compliance and control, and manage the workforce. And we're uniquely positioned to do that better than anyone else. At the end of the day, Sarah, it comes down to data. And we got the cleanest, richest set of data across employees in the world. And now we're going to do that not just for human employees, but for digital employees.
Is that why you cut your own workforce, recently announcing 1,750 job cuts?
No, not at all, Sarah. We did a restructuring of the company because we wanted to refocus our operating expense in dollars towards the biggest priority, and that's AI. Our restructuring allows us to invest deeply in AI and help us build out this new agent system of record and our agent strategy. And in fact, I think if you fast forward 1 year from now, when we look at our workforce population prior to the restructuring, we'll actually have more employees at this time next year than we did prior to that restructuring, because we're going to reinvest right back into that massive opportunity in the unique position we have as we move towards this agentic world.
Carl, David Faber here. The federal government, to the extent it's an important component of your business or your future business, I'm wondering how you approach DOGE. Is it an opportunity for you or a threat to you?
Yeah, thanks for the question, David. We see it as a massive opportunity for Workday. When we think about the federal government, a market that we have started to aggressively lean into over the last 18 months, we see that market as ripe for disruption. The reason for that is when you look at the system, specifically the market that we address around ERP, HCM, and financials, the system is very antiquated. In fact, most of the systems are still on-premise. An on-premises solution costs a lot to support, and it's only escalating in cost. So when we think about the future and driving efficiencies in the government, we think modernizing those infrastructures, moving them to a cloud, will actually be something that will be very favorable to the entire government and fits nicely with DOGE. What we don't know is when that will happen. But what I can say is spending time in D.C., everyone is pulling for Workday. They want to move to our platform. They want to get off of these antiquated systems, and they want to move to the cloud with a trusted market leader like Workday to manage both their people and their money going forward.